Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix account not in the store. Your account is not valid error on iPhone, iPad. When we try to download or install apps on App Store says account not in the store. How to fix here? Guys, if you facing this issue, then keep watching this video until the end. Firstly, click on App Store. Click on picture profile from top right corner. Click on Apple ID username at top of the page. Click on country region. Click on change country or region. Scroll down, find your country and click on it. Click on agree from top right corner. Again click on agree in pop-up window. If you have debit or credit card, then enter debit or credit card number, enter expiry, enter CVV number. I have no debit or credit card, so I choose none option. Enter your first name and surname. Enter your state. Enter your city. Enter postcode or zip code and enter your phone number. Then click on next from top right corner. In this way, you can easily fix this error. Guys, if this video helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe.